If you truly want to succeed in sales, you need to understand these fundamental truths. First, you aren't just moving a product, you are providing value. The best salespeople are actually the best problem solvers. Connect a person's need with a genuine solution. Second, your real market exists beyond your inner circle. A friend's support is a gift, but a stranger's purchase is validation. That's how you know you've created something the world truly needs. Third, don't fear rejection. Respect it. See it as a guide. It shows you what isn't working so you can discover what does. It's not a closed door, it's a course correction. Finally, you must believe not only your product, but also yourself. You cannot expect others to invest in something you yourself wouldn't. If this spoke to you, hit subscribe for more motivation and insights that help you grow in business and in life.